Let's look at new formula of new tech of squaring. This is a completely different method of squaring. Let's begin with a formula. First, go to the concept. Go to the concept of squaring. First, let's start from 50 to backward 30. You must know before going to any competitive examination, you must know the squares from 1 to 30. Let's start to square from 50 lesser than 30. Now, let's look the concept behind it. First, being the square of 50. 50 square is equal 50 into 50, which is as much as equal as a child's play. 5 into 5 is 25. 0 into 0 is equal 00. 2015. Let's look what is 49 square. 49 square is equal 49 into 49. Okay, we will not have to multiply. Convert this 49. We can say 49 is equal 50 minus 1 into this 49 is also 50 minus 1. Let's start. 50 minus 1 into 50 minus 1, that is equal to 50 minus 1's whole square is equal. Let's put the formula we have learned, that a minus b's whole square is equal a square minus 2ab plus b square. Let's look clearly. 50 minus 1 square is equal 50 square minus 2 into 50 into 1 plus 1 square. Once you are able to learn the logic, then after you will do everything very clearly. 50 square, as we know before, 2500 minus 2 into, look, this concept lies here. 2 into 50 is equal to 100. Always this concept will be applied. 2 into 50 is equal to 100. 100 into 1 is equal to 100. That means 2 into 50 into 1 is equal to minus 100 plus 1 square is equal to 1 is equal to 2500 minus 100 is equal to 2400 plus 1 is equal to 2401. Let's conclude it with a logic. We have learned the concept and we will do the logic. How quickly we will able to do this squaring. Let's begin that also. 49 square once again. 49 square is equal to 50 minus 1 square. How can we form 49? 49 is equal to 50 minus 1. 49 square is equal to 50 minus 1 square. Okay, we know the concept here. We have known this one always. 50 minus 1, 50 to square. 50 to square is equal 2500 minus, always look, 2 into, look, 2ab, 2 into a into b, 2 into a is equal to 100, 100 into 1 is equal to 100, 2 into a, 50 into 2 is equal to 100, 100 into 1 is equal to 100, 100 minus plus 1 square is equal 2401. Let's once again, okay, check another one, 48. Now look the concept, 49 square, 48 square is equal, we know 48 is equal to 50 minus 2 whole square. Let's we do orally 50 square. We know 50 square is equal to, I am writing it, but you should have to do it in your mind. 50 square is equal to 205,000 minus 205,000 minus, this is the logic, this 50 is as well, here look, here was 1, so we minus 100, here is 2, so how much we will minus? Minus 200, here the logic 2ab. Let's begin the 200, how 200 is formed, this 200 is formed 2 into a into b. What is the 2ab? 2 into a means 50 into b means 2. Always 2 into 50 is equal to 100, 102 is equal to 200, always 200 plus its square, 2 square is equal 04. 2500 minus 200 is equal to 2300 plus 4, 2300 plus 4. Very quick, you can check it, its square. And let's begin to another one, 47 square. Look, once you learn the concept, you will able to do it very quickly. Oh, look, 47 is equal to 50 minus 3. Just 50 minus 3 square, you after practicing a little bit, you do not need to write down it. You will able to do it orally. 50 square will be 205,000. Here is 3. Then 300 will be minus. That means 2,500 minus 3,300 plus 3 square is equal to 09. Let's quickly complete. 2,500 minus 300 is equal to 2,200 plus 09. Very quickly, let's another one. 46 square, we know 46 is equal to 50 minus 4, 50 square. Let's 50 square is equal to 2,500 minus, here will be 4. 46 is will be 4. 50 minus 4, 4 means minus 400 plus 4 square is equal to 16. 2,500 minus 400 is equal to 21. 16. Very quickly, let's do once again 45. Here 45 has another logic, but now look at this logic. Just 50 minus 5. 45 is equal to 50 minus 4. 50 is equal to 2,500 minus 5 is 500 is equal to 2,000. 2,000 plus 5 square is equal to 2,000. 5 square 25. Let's begin 44. 44, you know 44 is equal to 50 minus 6. Then what we have to do? 50 means 2,500 minus 6 means 600. 2,500 minus 600 is equal to 1,900 plus 6 square is equal to 36. 1936. Let's look 43. 43 square, as you know, 43 is equal to 50 minus 7. What we have to do? This 50 square, you know, 2500. 7 minus 700, that is 1800. 1800 plus 7 square, 49, is equal to 1849. You can check it. Let's 42 square, you know, 42 square is equal to 50 minus 8. 50 minus 8, let's do it quickly. 40 means 205,000 minus 8,000 is also 1700. 1700 minus plus 8 square, 64. 1764. This is the concept. If you do not understand, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.